Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 21 and today we are looking at an issue where you have a list of students here. I have 17 in my case, but you can have more. And you want to send them customized messages. It can be email messages to this email address, telling them what their mark is, the mark they would have obtained in their exam, and giving them a customized message. For example, here I have John here. I want to tell him that congratulations, you have passed because he obtained 100% here. And I want to also tell him that it was an outstanding performance. But for the guys like Edmond here, I want to tell them that sorry, you did not make it. Try again next semester. And I want to send to their personal emails. I don't want to copy everyone. So how can I do that as quick as possible? So I'm going to make use of two things. I'm going to make use of Excel and Word. So in this Excel document, I have this list and I have these customized messages. Then I can open my Word document. In the Word document, I'll then go to mailings. Then I'll select merge, start merge. Then you have quite a number of options, but I'm going to go with step-by-step mail merge here. Okay, so this is the wizard we are going to use to do the mail merge. So what do I want to mail merge? You can choose whatever you want to mail merge, but for me, I will leave it as letters, even though I know I will want to send an email message here. I prefer leaving it letters here. Then I go to say starting document. Okay, then here I say use current document because my messages are in a document that I have. Then I can, in my Excel document, then I can say select recipients, then browse. So here it's now asking me to pick up where my document is. So I can go and copy the link of my document, link to my documents. Then I can just paste my link here. So this is the file where my customized messages are in and the list of my recipients. So I can select this one and say open. So if I had different sheets in my workbooks, I would select the sheet that I want to make use of. But here I only have one worksheet. So I can just say okay. And here it's asking me that the first row of data contains header. That's correct. If I didn't have headers, I would untick this one, but I have headers in my data. So this is my data here. So it's asking that, do you have headers in your first row? So ticking there, it means yes, I have headers. If you didn't have headers in here, then you would untick this option. Yeah. And I say okay. Here it gives me sample of my data. So here it's saying this is my surname, this is my first name, this is the email, this is the mark and customized message. All my data is in here. I'm happy. I say okay. So you can see here is the new list of my recipients here. I can choose to edit it or I can choose to select a different list of recipients. Then the next thing I need to do is to go to next step to write the letter. On the screen, it's now asking me that what do you want to put in your address block? So I will just select this one. And here it gives me options. Do I want to just say, for example, here, hi John, or do I want to say, hi John Green, name and surname, or do I want to address them as Mr. or Mrs. if I had my title column? So for now, I'm just going to say to use the Mr. here. Okay, just to respect them. Then I'm going to say okay. So it shows that here in the first place, we are going to have the address block. Then I can choose where I want to write the next line. So my next line is going to be the greeting line. So I can just click on this one. They need to ask me, what do I want to say on greeting line? I can say to whom it may concern, or I can say dear sir or madam. I choose whatever. Let me say to whom it may concern. Then I say, okay, there's my greeting line. Then the next thing I want to put is now the customized message and the mark. So let me just say your semester mark is, then I add the semester mark. Then I select mark and I say insert. Okay, there is the mark. Then I just enter. Then I enter the customized message here. So I say more items again. Then I say customized message, insert. Then I say close. Then I just conclude my email with maybe best regards and my name here. Okay, that's it. So I'm done. Now I'm going to preview my letters. Okay, so this is the sample for John. I can go to the next recipient. Okay, I'm happy with my emails. I'm happy to send them. I can then now go here on finish merge here, and I say send email messages because I want to send them as emails. So it's asking me, where am I sending it? If I had two different emails, maybe the other one was alternative email, I can select alternative email or parent email, or to the student email. Here I'm still sending to the student email, let's say. I just select that. Then here on the subject, I can decide what I want to write on the subject. Maybe I want to say semester results. Then I choose the type of the message. It can be plain text, it can go as an attachment, or HTML. I'm going to use HTML. Then I say, okay. So it's now sending my emails to all the recipients. So you can see that it's sending the emails. So at this point, I can go and check my email address and see if the emails have gone. So I'm using Outlook on this computer, so you can see these are my emails. So I've sent to John Green. You can see the message you have passed. Then message to Joshua. Joshua, 80%, outstanding performance. The next one, 61%, just says congratulations. Next one, it's a fail, and it says, dear Bob, sorry, you did not make this semester. Try again next semester. So you can use this to send emails to multiple people with customized messages. All right, enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.